Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing a little thing I like to call my new Samsung iPad. Just kidding! Mostly, this is an iPadAir 11-inch, but not just any iPad Air. This is the I Have a Digital Hoarding Problem Special Edition. Alright, for $1,200 this lid better open itself. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, I'll do it. 1 terabyte of storage with Wi-Fi plus cell, so it can skyrocket data charges everywhere you go. The price is a cool $1,249. And there it is, looking all innocent and expensive, wrapped in that Touch Me film. This little piece of plastic is probably the last thing I'll own that doesn't have a subscription fee. Wow, it's so light. For this price, I was expecting it to be made of solid gold and have a little butler inside. Nope, just incredibly sleek aluminum. And at the moment you were waiting for, the peel. Ah, that's the stuff. Look at that screen, it's so clean and pristine. For the next 30 seconds until I get my fingerprints all over it. Now let's see what else my $1,249 bought me. The miscellaneous fillings box. Inside we have a USB-C cable and the power adapter. Apple still includes this. I'm shocked myself. I thought for this price they'll just send a stern email telling me I should already have one. And here we have the classic Apple paperwork, a quick start guide I will never read, and 2 stickers. Wait, where are the stickers? You know, to put on your non-Apple laptop so you can pretend it's an Apple. Now, you can't put a $1,249 tablet in just any case. That would be like putting a diamond in a plastic bag. So, I got this beautiful $10 fine leather case. Smell that. That's the smell of faux leather, probably. But it does have this clever kickstand that turns it into a little workstation. Very fancy. It's for when I need to look important while watching panda videos. Okay, moment of truth. Don't scratch it, don't scratch it. Whew! Success! Look at that! It looks so professional and elegant. This is no longer a tablet. It's a mobile creative hub that I will primarily use to check my stocks. Too bad the logo's not visible. How else will people at the coffee shop know I make questionable financial choices? Ugh. So there you have it, the iPadAir 11-inch 1TB Wi-Fi Plus Cellular and its fancy leather bodyguard. Total investment over $1,300. Was it worth it? Ask me after I've downloaded my entire photo library and 300 unused apps. But seriously, it's a stunning piece of tech. Thanks for watching. If you also enjoy spending too much money on gadgets like me, hit the subscribe button. It's free for now. See you next time. Maybe I'll post something from like 2 years ago.